Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and you watching New Touch Auto. In this video, we're gonna cover an item that I received from thebloomcar.com. Now this item is perceived to be angel eyes that you can place along the top or the bottom side of your headlights. Let's jump into the install and the product that you'll receive with your purchase. Welcome back. Now, the installation will consist of going underneath the hood. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it and I'll show you exactly what I did to install these lights. Here's what you'll receive with your purchase. You have one remote to control the lights. You have two angel eyes. You have 4 connections with your wires. You have a red for your power source, a black for your ground, and you have 2 for your signals left and right. Then you have your installation diagram that'll pretty much guide you through the entire process. Let's get into the connection. We have our angel eyes at the top side, and they're running through. The wires are going inside the engine bay, and they're connected inside. My connections, as far as my wire, that's the yellow wire for the driver's side, and it's tapped into my actual light. So that wire is connected for my passenger side. I have my wire here, and that's my yellow wire for my passenger side, and it's also tapped into my light. Now if you want to find out how to find and locate the connection for the signal light, I used a simple 12 gauge tester. If you want to know exactly how to connect or find any wires, check out this link above and it'll show you exactly what you need to do. That concludes the end of the video. Now if you got any additional comments you'd like to add or anything you want to ask about this install, please feel free to do so in the comment section. Now these angel lights are a big game changer. If you feel that you just gotta have it and you need it, thebloomcar.com. Check out their website. They got many light accessories for your exterior and your interior to choose from. Now don't forget, if you decide to purchase, use this code. It'll add an additional discount to your item at your purchase checkout. For my subscribers, thank you, and I appreciate it. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Catch y'all in the next video.